So good afternoon. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, safe, and strong. And I am just getting over COVID again. I had it a couple years ago, and I have to say, this time was like I felt sicker, but for a shorter period of time. So I'm going through this. This is a sketchbook that I found at a rummage sale. And I added some more hummingbirds. I kind of regret this one. I don't know. I don't like the way the wings are. And then I have this one. And I'm just going to go through it real quick. This was my vintage one from the 1950s Women's Day magazine. This is my surreal. And then I did this one off camera. So I finally used the green table and the chameleon with the green M&M lady. So we got that. And then I did this one not too long ago. And today what I think I want to do is cover this with flowers and then maybe put some birds on top. Like perhaps this one. I might cut off this part. I don't know. I've got a dragonfly that maybe we could put in there. I have this loose leaf with some birds and flowers in it, which were and some bugs. Like, look at this one, how pretty that is. That's jewelweed or touch-me-nots. So I want to cover the background up with just the flowers. And see if I might need some little ones. And then we'll take it from there. Let's get the background all done up here. And this one looks like it might fit here. Just not quite. Let's see. What else have we got? Got this one. I don't know. I want it to be exact. We'll have to see what we can use. And I don't want all pink, though, either. Here's a little yellow one. You'll see everything is pink. Most of the flowers are pink. Let's see what else I can find. There's a bird and flowers. Yellow. Maybe we could put that in the corner. Yeah, everything is pink. What about this one? That's pink too. I thought I had some, like, sunflowers or something. What else have I got in here? More pink. There's white. Yellow. Alright. I've also found some birds in with the flowers, which I was not expecting to see. Look how pretty that is. Alright, let's see what I can come up with now. We don't want all pink. This one's got a bird on it. Maybe we'll do this. Will that work? No. How about two smaller ones? Let's go like that. I've got this, but I still need to kind of fill in here. And I don't know how I'm going to do that unless I cut something really thin. I don't really think I have any kind of washi tape that can work. Maybe I can... That wouldn't be too bad. I can cut this down slightly. I could do that. And then figure out some birds. Alright. Or we could do that. I think it looks better that way. But I think this goes this way. And now I just kind of have to figure out something for here. So let me check out our birds. And I would want these birds to be fussy cut on top, or we could do like a fussy cut flower even. Actually, that looks pretty good. Not quite big enough though. That doesn't look bad. Let's see what kind of birds we have. Oh, look at this little tiny one. With the little bee. Actually, that looks good. So this is what I'm going to put down so far, and then we'll put a few little birds on top. What's this one? She's not very colorful though. I believe this one is a female ruby-throated hummingbird. Alright, I hope I can remember where everything goes. But I am going to glue everything down. I'll probably speed this up because it can be pretty boring, I think. I think I might actually want to move this over a little bit. There. So I have that. And I think it would be a good idea to put my glasses on. And you have to put this one down because this has got some that are going to be going on top of it. I haven't done a flower page yet, so I'm kind of excited. What have you been doing? We were supposed to go to a wedding. Our tenants are getting married. And we were supposed to go on Saturday, but I'm still going to be in isolation, so I'm not going to be able to go. And then Sunday, Bethany is coming. And then next weekend, our grandson, our 13-year-old grandson is coming. So that should be fun. Do you have any fun summer plans? Do you go on vacation? I have to say that we've never taken a vacation. We've never had the money to go on vacation. But when we were younger, my parents owned a hotel in Ocean Grove, New Jersey. And so that was like our vacation when we visited them. They were 1 block from the ocean. So there were times when we would like all go down for like a week. And then sometimes my husband would like come down for the weekend and then leave us there until the following weekend. So that was always fun. I think actually this might look better under here. But that was, no, long ago. It's been a long, my dad died in 2001. And that was the last year we went down there. That was the last year they had, they had actually sold their hotel and had just an apartment house there after that. But and we would go there, but once my dad passed away and then my mother had a stroke, she came to live with us for a while. And then she lived with my sister for a while, and then she lived with my brother for a while. And then my brother died. And my sister went and got her and brought her home and found her like a little senior apartment to live in. And then she passed away too, I think in 2022, if I remember correctly. Why am I talking about all these sad things? I think I'll stop. I'll stop being sad now. Alright, this is going to go here, I believe. And, whoops, not close enough to the edge. But anyway, that was our vacation. We've never done anything else. I think one year we went to Scranton to see the railroad. Uh-oh. This is not going to fit all the way to the bottom. Oh, I remember now. Let's see. I gotta get this up. This was going to go there. But first I gotta put this one down all the way at the bottom. There's like a big roundhouse. At least there used to be. We went there in 1996. That was the last time we ever really went anywhere. And this is going to go right here. So then in 2020, we decided to try to make our yard into like a staycation place. So we got some little pavilion, not a pavilion, I don't know what you call it. Let's see. I think I need to put this down first. We made like a garden with so in 2020, we decided to try to make our backyard into a sort of like a staycation spot. And we got one of those blow up, what do you call it? There's a staple under there. Hot tubs, which we ended up not liking because there's no seats in it, and it was like all the way up to my neck, and I couldn't sit down in it. A little waterfall in our garden, and what else? Like a gazebo type of thing, and a nice grill, which we just ended up having to replace because the whole bottom rusted out. Oh, darn it. I was trying to move it, and I ripped it. Oh well. That's going to have to be okay. And So that's what we do. We go to our own little staycation. So I got this, which I thought maybe we could put on here somewhere. Maybe right here, so it doesn't blend in too much with all the red. There. Let's see what else I can find. I am going to stop. I'm going to look for some more birds. Alright, so I have found a few birds. I actually kind of like him right here. So I think I'm going to just put him kind of like covering this number up right here. You can still see both of these flowers, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do with that one. I wish I had found this one before I put that one up, but it's actually might not have been big enough though. I don't think I'm going to put this here. And this one I'm not going to use. I have some little ones, and I was thinking about maybe just like maybe putting them around. This one's not cut very well though. It doesn't look very round. So I have more cardinals, but we have this cardinal here, so I don't think I'm going to use cardinal. I think that's a female, yeah, female cardinal. So we've got this little, I'm not sure if that's a ruby throat. I don't know. I don't think it is, because their heads aren't red. We can put maybe, I think I'm going to put him in another one. Let's put her right here. Him right there. We've got this one. But I think it's too big. And then we have this one. But I want to try to cut some of the feathers out, like, if it's possible. It might look weird. Okay. And a little bit here. I'm wondering if you can hear me sniffing. I'm sorry if you do. No, that's gross. There, that looks better. What about right here, actually? But oh, that looks good there. And we're going to put him there. And let's put those on and then see how we like it. I think I want to find some words to put on there. And then I think this might be all the embellishing I'll put on. Maybe a little bit more. I don't know. What do you say? Right there. Down a little lower. Right there. And this one. There. I guess I do need to get his little claws glued up. Alright. I just had to take one of my bird feeders down that was near our window because two birds have flown into the window, and I say, alright, that's it. We don't want to hurt our birds. We just wanted to feed them. And so I moved that. It was like a cake bird feeder. I moved that out by the other bird feeders. That looks pretty cute. I gotta get him glued on a little better. Yes, and our bluebirds disappeared. They did not make their nest in our birdhouse. And we haven't seen them in a week. Alright, let's look for some words now. I have found a few little phrases, rainbow of colors, or just rainbow. And then we have somewhere over the rainbow, nature's handiwork, looking beautiful, and bravest birds on the block. I'm I'm thinking I'm going to save this one for an actual bird page, even though there are a few birds on here. So I'm going to keep that. And I think Nature's Handiwork would look really good up there. Looking beautiful. Maybe like right here. I'm going to trim it down a little bit though. So I think I'll put that right there. Rainbow. I think this is too small. I'm going to save that one for another one. So it's either this or this. And I'm kind of leaning towards this one. But I feel like they're all like in a row. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and put this one up. And cover up that little bit of word there. We've got that. Now, Nature's Handiwork. Looking beautiful. I feel like I need to straighten that up a little bit. Where am I going to put this? Because I'm not sure. I actually think maybe I'll put it here. Looking beautiful. And then this one, I believe I'm going to keep down here. I wonder if I could have one more thing. Maybe I will. I don't know. I would like to find one more thing. That's there. Think about it like this. Okay. Not rainbow, though. I feel like it needs something over on this side. I found two more. Make your day, because, you know, going out in a garden and seeing all these beautiful flowers and birds would definitely make my day. Maybe I'll put that here. Or should I put it here? Oops. I think we need more glue. Let's try to just break up that line, maybe. I'm trying to get it right on the edge. Make your day and summertime delights. I think we'll put right down here. Alright, so there it is, my little flower glue book page. Thanks so much for watching. Till the next video, I hope that you will continue to be safe and happy and healthy and strong. Bye-bye.